What's going on, everybody? Right here we have a 4-pack handrail bracket adjustable. You can put this thing in many angles, steel graded. This is amazing. If you need to update your handrail, you can take the old ones out and put the new one in. And again, this is adjustable. It comes with screws, anchors, and it comes with a wrench and an Allen key. So for you to make your adjustments, you take your Allen key and you do lefty loosey. Take your Allen key, turn it left. And if you need to loosen it, you can put your wrench right here on the nut. And then there you go. And you can loosen it to where you need it to be to fit your handrail, okay? And that's how it works right there, all right? Very cool design right here. This is a very cool design. Now I'm just double checking, but yes, our stud is right there. All right, but I still might need an anchor. So we're gonna try to match it up. All right, go in the angle. Let's see. It's up. Amazing work, you guys, amazing work. And when you put it back up, don't forget to tighten it, okay? Because it still wobbles a little bit. So you want to make sure you make it tight, righty tighty. Now it don't move at all. All right, you guys, so that's it. If you need to upgrade all of your hardware, that's how you do it. Other questions on that, let me know. But the versatility on this thing to use it in different angles is amazing, you guys. I love this style, okay? This style is amazing. Definitely recommend it. Nice and sturdy. It is not moved at all. All right, so that will be it. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.